Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Patrick. So today I'm going to complete the update of records, okay, using PHP and also the AJAX technology. Okay, let us switch to Windows 10, and this is where we left off last chapter. So we are going to implement the update button over here. Alright. So whenever the user click the update, we should post these three information to the web server, and we need to add another file over there so that we can receive these three data and update the database accordingly. Alright. Okay, we create another new file. Okay, save it. And we will call this as do update. Okay, so in the test where we have the update, the dialog edit. So whenever the user click the update button, okay, so this is the button, right? So we will do update. So this is a JavaScript call. Okay, this is a JavaScript function. Okay, so we don't have JavaScript yet, so we have to create a one JavaScript script. Okay, function do update. Okay, so variable, what are the three variable? Student ID, right? Student ID dot val, variable name dot val, and variable so the class. So we cannot use class as this is a reserved word in JavaScript. Alright. Wow. So we need to check whether the data is contain any data or not. Don't let empty data go inside our database. Alright, so let's close it off. And the name also need to have data inside there, properly fill up, and the class also same thing, cannot be empty. Okay, then only we do something. Okay, so I'm going to copy the JavaScript, okay, the AJAX code from the dialog add. Okay, dialog add, so we can have this do update. Please. Okay, do update. So the data already set up for us, so it's exactly the same, other than do update this PHP code. So we are pointing to this file, do update. So we are posting the data, three data, student name, the class, to this file, PHP file. Alright, so what we should do in this file, so first of all we need to include MySQL, the connection. Okay, so second we need to process the data. As key value, so always do escape in all special character. MySQL I will escape string connection and value. Okay, escape the value so that you can insert the data easily without any error. Okay, and also to avoid any SQL injection attempt. Okay, we are trying to avoid any security problem. Okay, so do update. So what should we do? So now we have this one. So the key field is going to be student ID. So actually we cannot or we should add another field over here. Alright, So we are going to add it over, let's see. Okay, we are going to add it over here. Okay. So actually we have to add another type is going to hidden. Okay, and value, name, the original ID, student ID. Okay, ID also same thing, so that we know exactly what the ID is, because the control is editable. So we need to do something like this so that we know exactly which record to find. Okay, because this is a key field. So value is going to be same as this. Okay, the only thing that difference between these two is that this input is hidden and it's not editable, so it's fixed. Okay, alright, so you post it over here, do update. So we have 4 fields altogether. 4 fields, yes. Okay, so we need to issue an update. Okay, issue an update, student set. Okay, so what is the field name and what is the data? Student ID, then comma. Okay, name equals name. Okay, the data, and then backtick class equals the class. Remember? Okay, so we need to issue a where statement also, because we need to find exactly that record where student ID is equals to ori student ID. So because ori student ID is going to be fixed, because we are updating the student ID as well, so we need this field to be exact. Okay, so result MySQL query connection SQL. Okay, we are executing the MySQL query. Alright, if results return, we try to echo it. Okay, so 1 updated successfully. So else echo 0 update failed. For this update to work, we need also the ori student ID to be posted to the script. Alright, val, and we need that, and this is because this is a key field and it should not be empty. Okay, and we need to post the data as well. Student ID equals plus always student ID. Okay, that should be all. Okay, do update, so you will have all the data necessary to update the record. So after update, it will come back over here, and if this is 1, it will just refresh the screen. Otherwise, if there is an error, it will display the error. Okay, so display the error should be correct, right? Okay. Okay, let's try it out over here, and we try to edit the record. Let's see, I want to change this to Patrick only. Okay. See? Okay, successful. Alright, so this ends the whole process of updating a record. So we will go into deleting the record next chapter. So I will see you again. Alright, so it's until here today. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. If you like the video, smash the like button, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on all notifications. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.